Welcome back to another episode of The Silly Kitchen. Now, the previous episode that I posted, I cooked a whole roasted lemon and herb chicken from 5 Chicks and a Farmer. And I think in that video I said, don't waste any of the chicken, don't waste any of those beautiful juices on the bottom, because I want to show you how to not be wasteful with any of these parts. Just because you couldn't cut off some of that chicken doesn't mean you can't use it. It's beautiful meat, delicious poultry. So I'm gonna get my handy dandy gloves because I wanna use my hands for this. I wanna pull off all the excess little bits of chicken that are still left on this, on the bone, because there is no reason to waste this beautiful meat just because it doesn't cut off a breast or a drumstick. Guys, there's so much you can do with it. I'm gonna turn it into just a beautiful chicken soup, super simple, and I'm gonna use the juices on the bottom of the tray for just a nice poultry gravy. So I'll do that in another episode. But for now, let's pull off all this chicken and let's make chicken soup. So look at all the beautiful chicken I was able to pull off of all these bones. And I'm sure I'm missing a couple more little pieces here and there, but do the best you can. Get your little fingers in there and pull off. Oh, here's another big chunk that I want to get out. Oh yeah, look at all this beautiful meat. Take these beautiful bones and get them into your stock pot. Cover the bones with water. If you'd like, throw in some aromatics, your herbs, a bay leaf, some carrots, some onions, and just let it boil for a couple of hours and let all of that flavor soak into the water. Once you've let the water boil and simmer for a couple hours, I would say at least 2, just to get all the juices and all the flavors out of those bones. Then all you have to do is strain the bones out, get rid of any of the excess that you don't want, and now you can build your chicken noodle soup. You add in carrots, celery, diced onions, whatever vegetables you want to add in, as well as the chicken pieces that you took off of the bones. Now you're gonna let that cook out for another 30 to 40 minutes, just so that all the vegetables and the chicken can now get together and make a beautiful soup. At this point, if you want to add some herbs, you can. Dry parsley is always a go-to for me. Don't forget salt and pepper your soup as well. You can garnish it with dill, you can garnish it with parsley, whatever your heart desires. We roasted an entire chicken and used all of the parts of that chicken, the bones to make a broth, picked off all the little chicken pieces and made a beautiful chicken soup. I don't know about you, but I have a spoon, but I'm gonna enjoy this bowl of delicious comfort. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make yourself some chicken and use all of those beautiful pieces. Have a comforting bowl of chicken soup. Thank you again. Hit subscribe if you want to see more. Till next time.